Hello, this is Tamir Zain from ElliottWaveForex.com with your weekly Euro-US dollar analysis. Last week, price had a relatively strong rally of over 440 pips. This new development led us to alter our counts somewhat in order to accommodate the new market data. Interestingly, both of our new counts expect price to move in a corrective sideways, fairly overlapping manner over the next few weeks. This makes the trading potential somewhat limited on this higher time frame, although there may be frequent short-term opportunities within our daily service. We're updating our accounts to reflect the most recent price action and to present tighter targets and invalidation points. So let's begin right away with the big picture on the weekly chart, which sees that the euro is moving towards the downside in cycle wave X, which is forming a double zigzag labeled primary waves W, X, and Y, and within it primary wave Y is forming a zigzag labeled intermediate waves A, B, and C, within which intermediate wave A formed an impulse labeled minor waves 1 through 5, and intermediate wave B is forming a contracting triangle labeled minor waves A, B, C, D, and E. Now zooming into our main count on the daily chart, we can see that within intermediate wave B, minor wave B formed a zigzag labeled minute waves A, B, and C, retracing 95% of minor wave A, and then minor wave C formed another zigzag labeled minute waves A, B, and C, retracing about 61.8% of minor wave B, and it's either complete or near completion. This count expects the euro to start moving sideways towards the downside in minute waves A, B, and C to complete minor wave D. At 1.0803, minor wave D would retrace 61.8% of minor wave C, then at 1.0681, it would retrace 78.6% of its length. This wave count is invalidated by movement above 1.1718 as minor wave C may not move beyond the start of minor wave B, and it's also invalidated by movement below 1.0525 as minor wave D may not move beyond the start of minor wave C. Now moving over to our alternate count, which sees that intermediate wave B is already complete and that intermediate wave C is unfolding towards the downside as an ending diagonal labeled minor waves 1 through 5, each of which should be unfolding as a zigzag labeled minute waves A, B, and C. This count also expects the euro to continue moving towards the downside in minute waves A, B, and C to complete minor wave 3 of intermediate wave C. This will be confirmed by movement below 1.0525. Now at 1.0514, minor wave 3 would reach 61.8% the length of minor wave 1, then at 1.0314 it would reach 78.6% of its length. This wave count is invalidated by movement above 1.1718 as minor wave 2 may not move beyond the start of minor wave 1. That's all for our analysis for this week. I wish you profitable trading and see you next time.